Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This Nissan Qashqai mid-size SUV is available here in a lovely and deep red colour. There'll be plenty of standard equipment to enjoy with this model, and from every angle you can see just how stylish it looks. Key equipment highlights will include the benefit of automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as rain-sensitive wipers and even front and rear fog lights. 5-spoke silver alloy wheels will contrast beautifully against this deep red colour, and the boot space is incredibly cavernous, offering 60/40 split, and the split variable boot floors are available, and they can even be split as well to prevent items from rolling around the whole boot. In a rear, comfy area will offer plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, with a centre armrest with cup holders and even 2 ISOFIX jar anchor points with magazine holders. A quick glimpse in the front will also unlock piano gloss black inserts on the door and dash, as well as front seats offering additional side lumbar support for maximum comfort. Once in the driver's seat, you'll be pleased to find a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, operating volume as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Digital speedometer will be on offer, as well as economy, traffic sign recognition camera, voice radio controls, and numerous driving assist modes such as city braking and lane departure warning. Even tyre pressure monitoring system will be available, as well as chassis control. Easy to use infotainment system will house the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception with display information for all your music and radios. Media will incorporate a CD player as well as an auxiliary input for any add-ons you may wish to use, and pairing your phone will allow you to stay in touch with family and friends. Various other vehicle setups will be on offer, and moving down the cabin, easy to use 2-zone climate control system will allow you to set the ideal temperature for the cabin. Loads of cubbyhole storage will be on offer, large cup holders and even a deep center armrest featuring additional USB chargers. Our AC extended warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.